Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the Guardium user interface and command line interface, brought to you by IBM Training. In this video, we'll explore how to efficiently navigate the Guardium UI and leverage the power of the CLI for system management. Whether you're new to Guardium or looking to deepen your understanding, this journey will equip you with practical skills and insights. We'll start by outlining our objectives, then move step by step through the interface, key features, and hands-on command line operations. Let's get started and unlock the full potential of Guardium for your organization. Before we dive in, let's clarify our learning objectives. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently navigate the Guardium user interface, understand the layout and main features, and use the command line interface to update system parameters. We'll also touch on best practices for both UI and CLI usage, ensuring you can manage your Guardium environment securely and efficiently. These objectives will guide our exploration and help you focus on the most impactful skills for your daily tasks. Let's begin with the basics of navigating the Guardium user interface. The UI is designed to be intuitive, with embedded quick start views that help you get up and running quickly. You'll find that the layout is organized to streamline your workflow, making it easy to access essential functions and monitor your environment. As we move through the interface, pay attention to the logical grouping of features and the clear visual cues that guide your actions. One of Guardium's core strengths is its ability to uncover data risks and help you prioritize the protection of critical assets. The UI provides dedicated sections for managing your assets, discovering and classifying sensitive data, and assessing vulnerabilities. These features are crucial for maintaining compliance and ensuring that your organization's most valuable information remains secure. Let's look at how these tools are presented in the interface and how you can use them to strengthen your security posture. Guardium streamlines compliance monitoring and reporting by automating key processes. The interface allows you to discover access to compliance-relevant data and generate reports that support your organization's privacy and regulatory requirements. Automation not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of human error. We'll walk through the compliance dashboard and see how you can set up automated monitoring to stay ahead of evolving standards. Detecting advanced threats is a critical function of Guardium. The user interface provides tools to identify anomalies and suspicious activities, enabling you to take timely remediation actions. With real-time monitoring and alerting, you can respond quickly to potential incidents. We'll explore how these features are integrated into the UI and how you can configure them to match your organization's risk profile. At the top of the Guardium interface, you'll find the banner menu, which provides quick access to essential functions. Here you can view the system time clock, access help resources, use the search bar, and manage notifications and tasks. The user pull-down menu allows you to adjust settings or log out, while the machine type indicator helps you identify your current environment. Understanding the banner menu is key to efficient navigation. Search bar is a powerful tool within the Guardium interface, allowing you to quickly locate features, reports, or configuration options. Simply type in keywords or phrases, and the system will present relevant results. This feature is especially useful in large environments where manual navigation could be time-consuming. Let's see how to make the most of the search bar for efficient workflow. Let's take a closer look at the search bar in action. By entering specific terms, you can instantly access configuration settings, reports, or help topics. This feature streamlines your workflow and ensures you spend less time searching and more time managing your environment. The search bar is context-aware, so it adapts to your current location within the interface, making it even more effective. The navigation menu is your gateway to all major sections of Guardium. You can display or hide the menu by clicking the arrows, making it easy to customize your workspace. Each phase of the menu is clearly described, helping you understand where you are and what actions you can take. This structure ensures you can move seamlessly between tasks and maintain a clear overview of your environment. Guardium uses a set of common icons to represent frequent actions. For example, the new icon lets you create items, modify allows changes, clone duplicates existing items, and delete removes them. Guided processes help you complete complex tasks step by step. Familiarizing yourself with these icons will make your experience smoother and more efficient, as you'll quickly recognize what each symbol means. Report dashboard is a central feature in Guardium, providing a comprehensive view of your data security status. Here, you can access real-time reports, track compliance, and monitor key metrics. The dashboard is customizable, allowing you to focus on the information most relevant to your role. Let's explore how to navigate and interpret the dashboard for effective decision-making. Now, let's put theory into practice with an exercise exploring the Guardium user interface. This hands-on activity will help you become comfortable with navigation, locating key features, and understanding the layout. By actively engaging with the UI, you'll build confidence and develop the skills needed to manage your environment efficiently. Follow along as we walk through each step together. Beyond the graphical interface, Guardium offers a powerful command line interface, or CLI, for advanced administration. The CLI is an essential tool for configuration, troubleshooting, and management tasks. Guard API, a set of CLI commands, allows you to automate and streamline operations. In this section, we'll introduce the basics of the CLI and how it integrates with the Guardium system. Guardium provides several default CLI user accounts, including CLI and GuardCLI 1 through GuardCLI 9. Access is restricted to these accounts for security. The CLI user logs in directly, while the GuardCLI accounts require a secondary Guardium user ID, set with the setGuuser command. This layered approach enhances security and ensures only authorized users can perform administrative tasks. Password security is a top priority in Guardium. CLI account passwords have enforced expiration periods, typically set to 60 days by default. Users are required to change their password at the next login. Passwords must be at least 8 characters long and include uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. These policies help protect your system from unauthorized access. Guardium supports external authentication for CLI users, such as LDAP integration. Users can be authenticated locally or through LDAP, but not both simultaneously. When LDAP is enabled, certain support commands become inoperative. The authentication configuration is managed by the CLI userauth command, and options like SSL and CyberArk can be used for enhanced security. Let's review how to set up and manage external authentication. Using the CLI effectively requires understanding its syntax. Commands and keywords are not case-sensitive, but element names are. Use quotation marks to define search terms. Each CLI command consists of a command word followed by one or more arguments. You can abbreviate commands as long as they remain unambiguous. Mastering these basics will make your CLI experience smoother and more productive. Guardium's CLI is organized into several command categories, each serving a specific purpose. These include inspection engine commands, aggregator commands, investigation dashboard commands, alerter configuration, certificate management, network configuration, support, system diagnostic, user account and authentication, and file handling commands. Understanding these categories helps you quickly locate the command you need for any administrative task. Generate a list of all available commands for a particular topic. Use the command or com keyword followed by a topic. For example, typing com inspection engine will display all inspection engine commands. This feature is invaluable for discovering new commands and ensuring you're using the right syntax for your tasks. If you're unsure about the syntax or options for a command, simply enter question mark after the command word. For example, stop will display all available options for the stop command. Alternatively, entering the first word or words of a command will show all possible arguments. This built-in help system makes it easy to learn and use new commands. The show command is used to display the value of a specified argument, while the store command changes the value. These commands are fundamental for viewing and updating system parameters. For example, you might use show to check a configuration setting and store to update it as needed. This approach ensures you always have control over your system's configuration. Network configuration is a critical aspect of system administration. Guardium's CLI provides commands to set IP addresses, handle bonding and failover, manage secondary functions, and reset networking. These commands help ensure your Guardium environment remains connected and resilient, even in the face of network changes or failures. Aggregator commands in the CLI allow you to back up shared secret keys, set system shared secret keys to null, define the amount of collector date the aggregator UI works with, and move or rename failed import files. These tasks are essential for maintaining data integrity and ensuring smooth operation of your Guardium environment. Alerter configuration commands let you stop or restart the alerter, specify automatic startup on reboot, set polling intervals, and configure SMTP authentication for email alerts. These settings help ensure you receive timely notifications about important events, keeping your security team informed and ready to respond. File handling commands in the CLI allow you to back up and restore configuration information, the Guardium database, and profile information. You can also export and import audit data, as well as display exported audit data files. These capabilities are essential for disaster recovery and maintaining a secure, auditable environment. The diag command opens a menu-driven window for performing diagnostic functions. These are typically used only as directed by technical support and are not part of regular operations. Diagnostics help troubleshoot complex issues and ensure the health of your Guardium system. Inspection engines are responsible for extracting SQL from network packets, compiling parse trees, and logging detailed traffic information. CLI commands allow you to add, delete, list, stop, and restart inspection engines. These tasks are vital for maintaining visibility into your data flows and ensuring security policies are enforced. API is a set of functions that can be run programmatically through the CLI or exposed in Guardium user interface reports. These functions help automate repetitive tasks and can be accessed via SSH CLI. REST API equivalents are also available, providing flexibility for integration with other systems and workflows. Here's a simple example of using Guard API. Running Guardapi list staps lists all STAP hosts connected to your Guardium environment. The output provides detailed information about each host, making it easy to monitor and manage your deployment. Guard API commands are powerful tools for administrators who need to automate or script routine tasks. Let's reinforce your learning with a practical exercise using the Guardium command line interface. This activity will guide you through common administrative tasks, such as listing available commands, displaying command syntax, and updating system parameters. By practicing these skills, you'll gain confidence and proficiency in managing your Guardium environment from the CLI. To recap, you've learned how to navigate the Guardium user interface, use the search and navigation menus, interpret common icons, and access critical dashboards. On the CLI side, you've explored user accounts, password management, command syntax, and key administrative commands. These skills form the foundation for effective Guardium administration. It's important to note that IBM and the IBM logo are registered trademarks, and this training is provided as is without any warranty. The examples shown are for illustration purposes, and actual results may vary depending on your environment. Always refer to official IBM documentation for the most current information and best practices. Quick Start views in Guardium's UI are designed to help new users get oriented rapidly. These views present the most commonly used features and workflows, allowing you to jump right into asset management, data discovery, and vulnerability assessment. By leveraging Quick Start, you can reduce the learning curve and become productive in less time. Guardium's asset management tools help you identify and prioritize the protection of your most critical data assets. The UI provides clear pathways to discover, classify, and assess the vulnerability of sensitive information. This proactive approach ensures that your security efforts are focused where they matter most. Automation is a key advantage of Guardium's compliance features. The system can automatically monitor access to compliance-relevant data and generate reports as needed. This reduces manual effort and helps ensure your organization remains compliant with industry regulations and internal policies. Guardium's threat detection capabilities include advanced anomaly detection. The system continuously monitors for suspicious activity, alerting you to potential threats in real time. This proactive approach helps you respond quickly and minimize the impact of security incidents. The Notifications and Tasks section in the banner menu keeps you informed about system events, pending actions, and important updates. Staying on top of notifications ensures you can address issues promptly and maintain the health of your Guardium environment. The Machine Type Indicator in the banner menu helps you quickly identify the environment you're working in, whether it's production, development, or testing. This feature reduces the risk of making changes in the wrong environment and supports safe, organized administration. Guided processes in the Guardium UI walk you through complex tasks step by step. These wizards ensure you don't miss any critical steps and help reduce errors, especially when performing unfamiliar or infrequent operations. If the internal database on the appliance is down, the CLI enters recovery mode. In this state, only a limited set of commands is available, focused on restoring system functionality. Understanding recovery mode is essential for troubleshooting and disaster recovery scenarios. Specialized support commands, such as reset password root, restart system, and restore backup, are available for advanced troubleshooting and maintenance. These commands should be used with caution and typically under the guidance of technical support. You can abbreviate CLI commands and keywords by entering enough characters to make them unambiguous. This feature speeds up command entry and reduces typing errors, especially for frequently used commands. Guardium's REST API provides programmatic access to many of the same functions available in the CLI and UI. This enables integration with other systems, automation of workflows, and support for custom applications. REST API endpoints cover catalog entries, data sources, groups, roles, and more. Thank you for joining this in-depth exploration of the Guardium user interface and command line interface. You now have a solid foundation for navigating the UI, managing assets, and using the CLI for advanced administration. Continue practicing these skills and refer to IBM's official documentation for further learning. Stay secure and efficient as you manage your Guardium environment.